Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build an eye-catching animated Power BI dashboard, featuring dynamic bar charts, interactive cards, engaging tables, and a lively map. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add moving visuals to your dashboard, but also understand how each element can tell a story with your data, making your reports pop and truly impress your audience. So let's dive right in. All right, let's kick things off inside Power BI. The first thing you want to do is head over to the visualization pane. Now look for the three little dots, usually perched at the top or bottom of the visual list. They're your gateway to more visualization options, kind of like peeking behind the curtain to discover extra features that aren't immediately visible. Click on those dots and a search box will appear. Type in animated, and from the results, keep an eye out for something called the animated bar chart race visual. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it, then add it to your report canvas. Now, this next part adds the magic of movement. You might notice your new visual needs a way to know how to animate between time periods or categories. So in the same search box, type in play and look for the play axis visual. If you've ever seen a dashboard where charts literally race through data points, that's what the play axis enables. Add this to your canvas as well. Once you have both visuals in place, it's time to connect your data. Click on the animated bar chart race visual. In its field well, assign the dataset you want to see animated, for example, sales figures across months or product categories. Now to synchronize the animation, click on the play axis visual and assign just one specific time-based field like year or month. The play axis essentially acts as a remote control, telling your charts when to animate to the next frame. If you're not sure which field to use, pause and think, which column represents moments in time or categories I want to show movement across? A little trial and error is absolutely okay here. For the next part, let's add more supporting visuals to enrich the dashboard. Insert a table visual, then drag in the relevant data, maybe your top products or key performance indicators. Tables provide that regular, granular view that complements animated charts and lets viewers dig into specifics. If the table looks a little crowded, take a moment to format or sort it to highlight what matters most. Next, add a card visual to your dashboard. Cards are perfect for spotlighting a single, crucial metric like total sales this year, or perhaps the highest value in your dataset. Just drag the field you want to feature onto the card, and watch it automatically summarize that figure cleanly and clearly. Now, let's add a map visual. This is especially powerful if your data has location elements. Add the map to your canvas, then assign the geographic data field, maybe it's zip codes, cities, or even latitude and longitude. Mapping your data can instantly reveal regional patterns, and it adds a whole new layer to your animated dashboard. Alright, almost there. The piece de resistance, look for the play button on your play axis visual. When you click that, your dashboard comes alive, the bar chart races across categories or time, and your other visuals update in sync, creating a storytelling flow that's both informative and visually satisfying. And that's the process. You can now drop these animated visuals right into any dashboard you build, making your Power BI reports truly stand out. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.